Want to stop unwanted eyes from scrolling through your Instagram feed? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your Instagram account private, giving you full control over who sees your content. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile now. Look for the 3 horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu. In the top right corner of your screen, tap on that. A menu will pop up. You'll want to tap on the option that says Settings and Privacy. This is where all the customization happens for your account. Once you're in the settings, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Account Privacy. It might be under a heading like Account or Privacy. Within the Account Privacy section, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Private Account. It will likely be in the off position. Simply tap this switch to turn it on. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your decision. A small pop-up will appear. Just tap the switch button to finalize the change. And that's it. Your account is now private. This means only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts, reels, and stories. Any new follow requests will need your explicit approval. You'll also notice a small lock icon next to your username when people view your profile, indicating it's private. To manage your new private account, when someone requests to follow you, you'll receive a notification. You can then tap on their profile and choose to approve or decline their request. This ensures you're building a curated community of followers.